జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. 272nd నామం ఫ్రమ్ శ్రీ విష్ణు సహస్రనామం. ఓం నైకరూపాయ నమః. హో శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, based upon devotees' grasping power, based upon devotees' understanding ability, you decide to show them your own form. O Srimannarayana, like this, to show to all the devotees in different ways, you have so many different forms. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Naikarupaya Namaha. Om Naikarupaya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Bharata is explaining to Kausalyamma. Bharata is trying to console Kausalyamma. Bharata is trying to make Kausalyamma understand that he is not at all involved in this disaster. Now saying that, "Oh Kausalya Mata, if you think that I am the reason behind Ramavanavasam and I am happy with that, let me get the papam of selling all alcohols and meat and poison, and with that kind of earnings, whoever takes care of their family, whatever the papam that person would get, let me also get the same amount of papam." O Kausalyamma, whoever accepts Ramavanavasam, they will definitely be killed in the battlefield. O Kausalya Mata, whoever accepts Ramavanavasam, they will just go in the streets and begging like a madman and holding all kind of kapalas and going here and there like a mad person. O Kausalyamma, whoever accepts Ramavanavasam, they will be dragged into all kind of bad habits. O Kausalyamma, whoever accepts Ramavanavasam, their mind would never be focused on any kind of good things. O Kausalyamma, whoever accepts Ramavanavasam, their all the wealth will be stolen by big robbers and thieves. O Kausalyamma, if you think that I am the reason behind Ramavanavasam and I am happy with that, whoever is sleeping in the time of sunrise and sunset, whatever the papam that person would get, let me also get the same papam. O Kausalyamma, if you think that I am happy with Syarionumate Gataha, I am happy with Ramavanavasam, whoever is putting fire to the houses, whatever the papam that person would get, let me also get the same papam. O Kausalya Mata, if you think that I am happy with Ramavanavasam, Yasyarionumate Gataha, whoever cheats their friends, whatever they get, whatever the papam that they would get, let me also get the same papam. O Kausalya Mata, if you think that I am happy with Ramavanavasam, Yasyarionumate Gataha, whoever is not taking care of their parents, whatever the children papam whatever the papam those children would get, let me also get the same papam. Ho Kausalya Mata, if you think that I am happy with Rama Vanavasam Yaryonu Mate Gataha, whoever is not doing any aradhana to devatas, whatever the papam they would get, let me also get the same papam. Ho Kausalya Mata, if you think that I am happy with Rama Vanavasam Yaryonu Mate Gataha, whoever is not doing any kind of tarpanas to Pitru Devatas, whatever they papam they would get, they let me also get the same papam. Ho Kausalya Mata, whoever is happy with Rama Vanavasam, let me get so many children and get so poor and get into so many bad diseases and finally let me die. Ho Kausalya Mata, if you think that I am happy with Rama Vanavasam Yaryonu Mate Gataha, let me get the papam of the one who is not at all extending helping hand to the people who is asking the help, who is asking for help. Whatever that person would get papam, let me also get the same papam. Ho Kausalya Mata, if you think that I am happy with Rama Vanavasam Yaryonu Mate Gataha, let me get the papam of the person who does not respect his wife and but go behind other wife and other ladies. Whatever the papam they would get, let me also get the same papam. Ho Kausalya Mata, if you think that I am happy with Rama Vanavasam Yaryonu Mate Gataha, whoever is polluting the drinking water, whatever the papam they would get, let me also get the same papam. Ho Kausalya Mata, if you think that I am happy with Rama Vanavasam Yaryonu Mate Gataha, whoever is feeding bad food to the people, whatever the papam they would get, that person would get, let me get the same papam. Ho Kausalya Mata, if you think that I am happy with Rama Vanavasam Yaryonu Mate Gataha, whoever destroys all the pujas and obstructs all the pujas are done by Brahmanas, whatever these people would get, the papam, let me also get the same papam. Ho Kausalya Mata, whoever milches the milk of the cow just only after 10 days of the cow giving a birth to the baby cow, if the person milches the milk within 10 days, whatever the papam that person would get, let me also get the same papam. If you think that I am happy with Rama Vanavasam Yaryonu Mate Gataha. Ho Kausalya Mata, please believe me, like this Bharata is consoling Kausalya Mata and he himself is crying and helping Kausalya Mata understand that he is not involved in this disaster. And finally, Dukkharto Nipapataha, Bharata just fell on the floor by so much of grief. What happens next we will learn tomorrow with meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 29th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Subhujo Durdharo Vagmi Mahendro Vasudo Vasuhu Naikarupo Bruhadrupaha Sipivishtaha Prakasanaha. Om Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Jai Srimannarayana. November 1st is my father's birthday. He is no more. My father's name is Gattu Venkatacharyalu. Gattus Karishye Vachanantava reminds my father to me. My mother, I am the youngest one, my two elder brothers, we are all living while doing Bhagavad Bhagavat Acharya Kainkaryam with the blessings with Asirvadam of my father Venkatacharya Swami. I would like to just share a beautiful scene how my father's departure took place. And then I wanted to share this with you all on birthday of my father. So my father was working as a Telugu Pandit in the school. My father helped me do. My father took me to Kurukshetram in North India. Exactly on Gita Jayanti day in Kurukshetram, my father had me do Sampurna Bhagavad Gita Yajnam. And from then onwards, every year, from America I come to our Bharat Desh and then take 10-12 very interior villages. We perform Bhagavad Gita Yajna in every village and give them food and offer them Bhagavad Gita books free of cost. Like this my father had me do for several years. In 2017 my father departed. So at the time of departure he was bedridden. My brothers called me, I was in America, called me and said that probably it won't be so many days, he may probably depart very soon. So on video call I was talking to my father from America. I was getting ready to leave from here, and then somehow it so happened that it's all because of my Acharya's Bhagavan's blessings on my father had me say these things to my father on video call. What did I say is, my dear father, you are now departing from this body because this body is no more cooperating with you. So you are now leaving from this body. The moment you leave this body, you will be crossing over several wonderful divine abodes like Agni Loka, Varuna Loka, Indra Loka. After crossing through all these divine abodes, you will take a dip in Viraja, the river. After that shower in the Viraja river, there comes so many divine angels who were sent by Sriman Narayana himself. They come, they take you, they decorate you and they keep you on the Garutman, and Garutman takes you to our eternal parents, Sriman Narayana, who is there in Sri Vaikuntham. And like this I was just telling my father. None of my family members disturbed me while I am saying this. Usually nobody wants to say like this, right? Everybody wants to keep hopes that he would be alive. But they did not stop me saying all these things. I just said everything to my father and I left from here. By the time I stepped in our Bharat, my father left this body. So it is like before we travel anywhere, we take GPS, we put GPS, the address, how to go there. That is what happened with my father. The entire of this, the route that I described my father is given by our Upanishads and is given by our Upanishad Saram Bhagavad Gita. So that is what I told my father. This is also known as Archiradi. So my father took this GPS and I'm sure that my father has reached Sri Vaikuntham. So this is all happened not because I told, but because he has so much of anugraham from his acharyas and from Sriman Narayana. That is what made him take this GPS not from someone but from his own son. That is the the devotion that my father has towards Paramatma and Acharyas. He also always used to carry so much of love towards all the devotees. Whoever comes and asks anything that please pray for me, my father used to immediately take Gotram names and put in his book and do Parayana every day. Like that, if we see all the books that my father has used for Parayanas, in every book there will be thousands of slips. He doesn't care whether again they recognize him and whether they come back and give something. No. The moment he takes the name, he will take all those names every day. Like that, he always used to carry so much love towards devotees, love towards all the relatives. In every of special days of my relatives, anyone, they calls me my father first thing. My father always says that many Mangala Sasnams to everyone. It's his special signature of greeting people on their special occasions. So everybody miss my father, but my father is in eternal abode, enjoying eternal bliss, enjoying the service, eternal service to Sriman Narayana and blessing every one of us. And it is all his anugraham that we could start this 1000-day tapas with everyday Namam and Ramayana in detail. And soon, with my father's blessings, from December 25th, Gita Jayanti, Vaikuntha Ekadasi, Bhagavata Jayanti, that day onwards, we are also going to start 700-day Bhagavad Gita Bhagavatam. Every day that one video comes in which just like one Namam and Ramayana we are listening here, so also Bhagavad Gita one sloka and Bhagavatam a small episode. This 1000 day, that 700 day, altogether will be concluding at once. It is not special. 700 is not an extra to this 1000. So it gets merges. At once we will be able to conclude this Vishnunamam, Ramayanam, Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam. This will make us complete, and this will definitely makes everyone happy about us, all the devatas, all the Pitru devatas and acharyas and Sriman Narayana. They will be very happy for us to be following this Namam, Ramayanam, Gita, Bhagavatam. Thank you all. Jai Sriman Narayana. Om Naikarupaya Namaha. Om Naikarupaya Namaha. Om Naikarupaya Namaha.